If you want an easy way to help your kitchen sink disposal feeling and smelling fresher, this garbage disposal cleaner and deodorizer tablets are so convenient to use. They come in a 24 tablet pack, which brand describes as enough for roughly a year on monthly cleaning. To use them, you simply drop a tablet into your garbage disposal while running water, turn on the disposal for about a minute, and let it foam in action works around the blades and chamber. The tablet creates a citrusy scent foam that helps break up food and residue and reduce odors. I find it nice that they're pre-measured, so there's no missing or guessing. Just run one tablet in, run the cycle, and you're done. It's a simple step you can add to your kitchen cleaning routine to help manage buildup over time. 100% recommended.